Hey, Rudy.
What's up, pretty crew? Welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate, and if you're new, welcome. So today, from the title, you can see we're doing a Would You Rather makeup edition, and you guys, my friends and everybody else is a child. I just want to disclaim that right now. So before we get into any further into this video, I just want you guys to know that they are childish, and whatever I answer, I do not want to be judged for. Okay? Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because guess what? If you don't subscribe, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna call you ugly. You're gonna be ugly if you don't subscribe to my channel. So you better make sure you click that red button down there. Click it. Come join this pretty crew. Learn a thing or two. All right, let's jump into this video. All right, you guys, so I have my notebook in front of me. It's gonna be right here. And I'm going to be reading everything off, and I'm terrified. So we're gonna see how this goes. Okay. Oh, and by the way, there's 23 of these. So go grab you a snack, go get you a drink. All right. Would you rather be an MUA for Beyonce or a personal esthetician for SZA? I'm gonna go with being an MUA for Beyonce because it's Beyonce. Like, Beyonce? Like, I love me some SZA though. Don't get me wrong, I love SZA, but this is Beyonce. Number 2, would you rather only be able to use light makeup or too dark makeup? Honestly, I'm going to go with... That's a hard one. Because if I do light makeup, I can at least contour and make it look okay. But if I do too dark, then at least I can blend it all the way down and I won't really have to wear, like, you know, shirts that reveal my chest that day. So I'm gonna go with light makeup because dark makeup, I don't know. I don't like how that looks. Would you rather never wear lashes again or never wear foundation again? I'll never wear foundation again because I'm finally getting my skin to where it needs to be. But yeah, I'd rather never wear foundation again. Would you rather wear a glam makeup look or a natural makeup look? I'm going to go with glam because I really love color now. Like, if you would have asked me this maybe 4 years ago, I would have been like, oh yeah, get me with the all natural. Now that I'm deep into this makeup game, give me the glam, give me the dramatic, give me everything. Would you rather shave your head or never allowed to use gloss or lipstick again? I'm probably gonna go with never allowed to use gloss or lipstick again because I could always use Vaseline. Would you rather sleep in makeup for a week without cleaning it or have Bear clean it off for one day? You know, the things I've seen Bear do with his mouth, I think I'd rather sleep in my makeup for a week. Would you rather let Emmy do your makeup every day forever or have Bear use his breath as setting spray? I'll use Bear's breath as setting spray. I love you, Emmy. Would you rather have Jasmine do your makeup or me, Wessel? And why? So that's a hard one because Jazzle knows how to do makeup, okay? And she's done makeup on people before. Now, Wessel, he has great fashion sense, okay? He knows how to do makeup. Well, he doesn't know how to do makeup, but he knows about makeup. So that's a hard one. I might have to go with Jazzle. Jasmine. I call her Jazzle. Only because she's done makeup. I'm sorry, Wessel, I still love you though. Would you rather always have to apply lipstick or have your lips permanently tattooed? Honestly, I would rather apply lipstick because I honestly don't like permanent stuff. Like, the only thing I would probably do permanent for makeup tattooing would be my brows because, you know, I get tired of doing them sometimes. So that's the only thing. So yeah, I would just apply lipstick. Would you rather use a sample lipstick for one use or can't use skincare product for 1 month? I'm gonna go with not using skincare product for a month because people are disgusting. Like, hold on. Have y'all ever just seen what people do with these samples and how like they get dropped on the floor and people kind of just like, oh, let me just put it back, you know? No, I'll go with no skincare for a month. I can get my skin back on track after that month.
Thank you.
Would you rather never be able to perfect eyeliner or never able to perfect brows? Never to perfect eyeliner because my brows are my everything when I do my makeup. I really want them to be on point all the time. Like, I don't even have to do a wing liner all the time. I could just simply do like a little, call it a day. Would you rather no primer or no setting spray? I'm gonna say no primer, only because I can spray my face and kind of, you know, make that kind of work and keep my skin or my makeup set, and then I'll have setting powder too. So yeah. Would you rather have no eyebrows or no eyelashes? I'm gonna go with no eyelashes. Would you rather use a dish sponge to do your makeup or an old toothbrush? I would go with a dish sponge, only because, you know, we didn't say if it was old or new, you know, so I'm gonna go with that. All right. Yeah, because using an old toothbrush, the only time I really use my old toothbrushes are for like my edges.
Which I got.
Would you rather only be able to get one item at Sephora per month or purchase as much makeup as you want from the drugstore only?
Y'all sleep on this drugstore makeup.
And I know I need to buy more because I always do reviews on like prestige brands. So I'm gonna go with drugstore makeup because if I could buy as much as I want from the drugstore, I'm set. Would you rather have lipstick on your teeth or mascara on your eyeshadow? Lipstick on my goddamn teeth. Because let me tell you, when I sneeze or if I get mascara on my eye look that I've worked so hard on and perfected,
It pisses me off to no end.
so lipstick on the teeth. Would you rather have glue on lashes or extensions? I'm gonna go with glue on because extensions, I don't like things close to my eyes like that, and it's just, that's my preference. Would you rather never have your eyebrows done or have Bear do your makeup every day? I feel like Bear would eat my face off, so I would go with never have my eyebrows done. Would you rather wear your own lashes or false lashes? I love my lashes, but honestly, I feel like falsies really just bring that look together. So I'm gonna go with false. Would you rather sleep in your makeup or not wear any makeup all day? I'm gonna go with not wear any makeup all day because sleeping in my makeup, that is just tragic. Now, fun fact, I used to sleep in my makeup before I knew anything about skincare, before I went to school for being an esthetician. But when I would do that, my breakouts would go away. So like, I think the products that I were using were good for skincare as well. Number 21. Would you rather sleep in your makeup or not wear any makeup all day? I feel like I just read that one. Would you rather matte lips or gloss? I personally love gloss, but you know, today I'm actually doing a lipstick and I honestly really love it a lot. But my answer is lip gloss. Would you rather never wear lashes again or never prime your face? I'm gonna say never prime my face. I think I kind of answered this one before, so y'all should know why my reasoning is that. All right, you guys, I got through all the questions. Y'all trifling, y'all are childish.
Y'all know who I'm talking about.
Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you are not with this pretty crew, you ugly. All right, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.